Hello, welcome to Sunny Spotlight. China's annual Spring Festival travel rush has just begun. The 40-day travel rush will see hundreds of millions of people hop onto bustling trains or other vehicles to return to their hometowns and reunite with families. Today at Beijing West Railway Station, I explore how innovative services on high-speed trains warm travelers' stomachs amid homeward journey. We're in the kitchen of Jingtie Hotel, which is located near the Beijing West Railway Station. In just a few moments, passengers departing from the station will have the pleasure of indulging in these freshly cooked meals.
The head of the culinary team, Feng Wei, told me that this year marks the first year of providing hot chain meal services for travelers during the Spring Festival travel rush.
准备了北京比较有特色的热链套餐。咱们的热链餐呢，会考虑到一个是配送保温，还有就是菜品颜色。保温箱里边会增加一些加热板，对菜品进行保温。为了保证菜品的那个颜色品相，蔬菜为了保证它翠绿，所以我们也是下了功夫，让他们呢在回家的路上、旅行的路上更加愉悦、舒心吧。
Delivery team in position. Follow me to find out how the food is delivered from the kitchen to passengers through hot chain. Timing begins.
Throughout the whole process, the meals are sealed inside an insulated delivery box with a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. This ensures both the texture and the safety of the food.
We've just arrived at the distribution center and the platform is just over there. My clock shows 3 minutes.
Wow! 你好，女士，欢迎乘车，这是为您准备的交流丸子，请您慢用。
刚才我在那边听乘务员说，都是大厨现做的，食材新鲜，口感就好，我就买一份尝尝。温度刚好，挺热的，吃起来也很好吃，就跟在饭店堂食差不多，就好像提前到家了一样，心里很温暖。
On high-speed trains, due to safety concerns, cooking with an open flame is restricted. In addition to these emergent hot chain dishes, sealed boxed meals are more commonly served here.
The cold chain meals offered on high-speed trains are produced following standardized hygienic practices. They're transported under strict cold chain conditions, maintained below 10 degrees Celsius, and subsequently heated to about 70 degrees Celsius on board for optimal freshness and taste. Additionally, for maximum safety, any meals produced more than 72 hours ago are removed to ensure the highest quality standards.
春运期间呢，我们为了给旅客提供更多的菜式选择，我们中铁礼集团呢，研发了3种不同价位的新品套餐，应该说形成了7个价位的冷链餐式，应该说给旅客提供了高中低不同的选择，旅客呢可以根据自己的需求、自己的喜好进行充分的选择。
Over the years, the meals are constantly being upgraded. In addition to nutritious Chinese cuisine, freshly baked pizzas are also provided on some routes.
我们这次餐饮服务这次的创新，在一定程度上也反映出广大旅客对出行优质服务的需求在不断增长啊。我们会不断的创新这个服务品质，让旅客呢能够出行体验更美好。